Hello students, let's read the question. In figure 6.24, if AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED is 126 degree, find angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. So first write what is given. We can say that since AB is parallel to CD, so GE and GE is a transversal. So also we have given that angle GED is 126 degree. Angle GED is 126 degree. So we can write that angle GED is equals to angle AGE that is also 126 degree because of alternative alternate interior angle. Now note this also angle GED is equals to angle GEF plus angle FED, as EF is perpendicular to CD and angle FED is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle GED is equals to angle GEF plus 90 degree, or we can say angle GEF is equals to 126 degree because GED is 126 minus 90 degree. So GEF comes out to be 36 degree. GEF comes out to be 36 degree. Now again angle FGE plus angle GED is equals to 180 degree, as they are transversals. They lie on transversal. So putting the value of angle GED is equals to 126 degree, what we get? We get angle FGE plus angle GED is 126 degree is equals to 180 degree. That gives us angle FGE is equals to 180 degree minus 126 degree, which comes out to be FGE comes out to be 54 degree. So what we can say that angle AGE, that is already calculated as 126 degree. This is 126 degree, and angle GEF is calculated as 36 degree. This one is 36 degree, and finally angle FGE is also calculated, that is 54 degree. So we have calculated all the four angles using the concept of lines and angles and its properties. Hope you understand it well. Thank
Don't forget to like and subscribe.